Hello students, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.8, that is related to the volume of sphere as well as hemisphere. I have taken question number 8 of exercise 13.8 from NCERT. The question is, a dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of the whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of the air inside the dome. So first of all, draw the shape of the dome. It will look like this. Yes, it is a hemispherical shape. Yes, a dome is a building in the form of a hemisphere. Now from inside it has to be whitewashed. Yes, only this curved surface area is taken at the cost of rupees 498.96 if the cost of the whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter. As we can see here, according to the question, it is whitewashed from inside, means this curve is taken, only the curved surface area is whitewashed per square meter, rupees 2 per square meter, and the total cost comes rupees 498.96. So just recall the formula for the curved surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Yes, and we always know that surface area comes in a square unit. So 1 square unit is of rupees 2, that is given in the question. So if we make a question for part number 1 where we need to find out inside surface area of the dome, so according to the question, curved surface area multiplied by, that is the surface area always come in a square units, per square is of rupees 2, multiplied by this, instead of meter square I have written rupees 2 because it is for 1 square meter it is rupees 2, that is equal to the total cost, that is 498.96. Yes, we can write here the formula also, that is 2 pi r square, but in the very first part the question want only the inside surface area of the dome, that is equal to rupees 498.96, or we can say, see, this 2 pi r square is the curved surface area. Either you write 2 pi r square or simply you can write curved surface area is equal to 498.96 upon 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16 meter square. Yes, so we have find out very easily the inside surface area of dome. I hope that you have understand this equation. This is very important. I am repeating again, they have whitewashed inside this inside surface area, that is the curved surface area, that is of 2 pi square, and always surface area comes in a square units, that's why for the per square it is multiplied by 2, that is given in the question, and the total cost is comes to this, when this curved surface area is multiplied by rupees 2 per square, the total cost comes 498.96, and we have got this. This is the inside surface area of the dome that we have find out for the first part. Now come to the volume of the air inside the dome. So first of all, just recall the formula, volume of hemisphere. Why? Because this dome is of the shape of the hemisphere. So that is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Yes, so here we need the r. The value of r is not given in this question. So from where we have to find out, we will find out from this equation only, where we can see here 2 pi r square into 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48. that I have written directly, that is of the curve. So r square is equal to 249.48 upon 2 into 22 into 7. Yes, so if we see here, that is if we multiply, we need to solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 14. Yes. Now 2 11s are 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Yes, 2 3s are 6, and 2 7s are 14. So what we can see here, 62.37 upon 11 into 7. So when we multiply this, and if we divide this, we can get, after multiplying this 62.37 up into 7 upon 11, we can get here 39.69 r square. Yes, after solving this, and we can get here 39.69. Now r is equal to, if we take the under root of this, that is equal to 6.3. So we have got the value of r. So here we need a precise calculation. Now we know that volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. We have got the value of r, that is 2 upon 3, 22 upon 7, and r is 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3, 7.90, and 3 1 3, 3.3. So now again we have to 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.3 to 6.3. We simply need to multiply this, and we have got 523.908 meter cube after multiplying this. So we have got the volume of the hemispherical dome, that is volume of the air inside the dome. So whatever the volume, what is the capacity of this hemisphere, the air will be inside this. So this is the air that will be inside the dome. Yes. Let's understand the question again. Inside surface area of dome, I already explained you volume of the air inside the dome. We need to find out the volume of this hemispherical dome, and whatever the volume, that will be equal to the air inside it. So that's why, because r is not given, so we have calculated the value from this equation only. After putting this, and we have got the value of r, that is equal to 6.3, and we have taken here the square root. R square is equal to 39.69. So after taking the square root, we have got r is equal to 6.3, and we have put the value here, and we have got the volume of air inside the dome. Thank you, students.